The police maintained the complete lockdown throughout the state of West Bengal under strict vigil today. CM Mamata Banerjee has decided to have lockdown twice a week through the month of August to contain the virus. In Siliguri, there was a complete shutdown of all business today with shops closed, no public transport in the roads, and empty streets almost like a curfew. People decided to stay indoors and not violate the lockdown as they knew that strict action would be taken against violators. There were police pickets all over the city to ensure that the lockdown was implemented properly. Survivors of the Air India Express flight that crashed in Kozhikode airport after skidding and overshooting the runway, crashing after splitting into two, are yet to recover from the shock. The moments of the crash are still haunting them. This was a repatriation flight from Dubai as part of the centre's Vande Bharat mission to evacuate Indians stranded abroad due to the coronavirus pandemic. The death toll rose on 18 on Saturday. Of the 18 deaths, 14 were adults and 4 were children. Both the pilot and co-pilot died in the accident. Currently, 149 people are admitted in various hospitals, out of which 23 are critical, according to sources. The pilot, Captain Deepak Sathe, was a very experienced pilot and had landed in this airfield as many as 27 times. The plane aborted landing twice and landed on the third attempt in very bad weather. However, passengers were very lucky this time as the aircraft did not catch fire like the 2010 accident in Mangalore, resulting in majority of the passengers surviving the crash. Civil Aviation Minister Hardeep Singh Puri and Minister of State External Affairs V. Muralidharan visited the crash site on Saturday. More than 9 years ago, Captain Mohan Ranganathan, a member of a safety advisory committee constituted by the Ministry of Civil Aviation, had warned that the airport is unsafe and landing should not be allowed here, especially during wet conditions.
And I've been pointing this out even 10 years back, that the corruption level in civil aviation is very high. And that is why people get away with murder. In my opinion, this is murder, it's not an accident. Because they knew that the danger existed. Even their own audits have flagged the safety issues. And if they continue to sweep things under the carpet, I would say that you fly only on horoscope, you don't fly on safety.
This is the second major Air India Express crash. In 22nd May 2010, an Air India flight from Dubai to Mangalore crashed after it landed in Mangalore, overshooting the runway and falling down a cut 130 meters below, killing 160 people on board. Both these airports are tabletop airports, as they call them. This means that the airport has limited space at the ends of the runway. There are 3 such airports in India which, because of the undulating terrain and constraints of space, require extra skill and caution while carrying out flight operations. There are risks of overshooting runways is always there. These tabletop runways also have a problem of access roads around the airfield which may be needed during an emergency situation, and the narrow roads can delay and hinder rescue operations. These were staged after an investigation was done by an expert committee on 2010 Air India accident in Mangalore. The digital flight data recorder and the cockpit voice recorder have been recovered and will help to find out what exactly happened in the last few moments before the crash. Only a detailed investigation will ultimately reveal the cause of the crash, but the airfield being risky to land in bad weather conditions has already been established 9 years ago. Please like our Facebook page and do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to never miss the latest updates from News at 9.